Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to Shailesh Fulsunge's Pep Talk. Today, I have come with a wonderful topic. I'm sure you will like it. It is on your routine things. We always keep on talking about. I wish this will come into effect, or I wish I will get that. I wish I will get this. There is a big difference. If you keep on wishing for certain things, it is not necessary you will get it. It is the nature which is supporting you, unless and until your wish becomes a desire. Let me repeat. Unless and until your wish becomes a burning desire, then only you will start attracting things, and it is completely connected to your own mind. The thoughts, the burning desire. You know, a small child, when he wants something, it has that burning desire. He will cry. He will do whatever he wants. He will yell. He will do everything. He will start throwing his hands and legs all over. He will make everybody uncomfortable. That is what the burning desire is all about. The moment we keep growing, we become little subtle. That desire thing is out. We start wishing for things. That is the issue. If you really want something, have a burning desire. That burning desire will get you there. Every human being who reaches the age of understanding the purpose of achieving anything, whether it could be money or riches or anything, wishing will not only bring riches. Just wishing will not only bring riches, but the burning desire with a state of mind gelling together will get you that whatever you want. So my dear friends, have a burning desire. Start mixing your thoughts. You should have that desire, and accordingly your planning and your execution needs to be done without looking anywhere else. Wear horses spectacles. Just look at your goal, keep the desire, and just run after it with a plan and right execution. Winding up with this, I am Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a super boy, a hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, Stuart transformed into a managing director, founder of Melaine Hospitality Private Limited. If you like my video, say like, subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon.